Welcome back, my dear friend. Ever wondered if some of your photos or videos seem to disappear in Google Photos? Don't worry, you probably didn't lose them. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where hidden content is stored and how to find it using Google Photos built-in feature. It's simple, safe, and takes just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Google Photos app on your phone and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After the app is open, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can find the collection tab. Tap to open it. In the page, scroll down to very bottom, look for the archive option. Click on them. Here you can see all of the archiving hidden photos and videos listed there. Find the photos or video if you want to unhide or unarchive, simply long press it. After that, look at the top menu bar, click on the three dots more icon. Here you can click on unarchive and automatically back to the photos or videos on your main screen on the Google Photos app. However, if you don't find the hidden photos and videos in the archive page, this means you maybe lost these photos and videos, so don't panic. And this is very simple. To find them, to check it, simply go back to the collection tab. Here find the locked folder, click on them, then verify to place your fingerprint or enter your password and open the page. Here you can see the all of hidden photos or videos listed there. Simply find any specific photo or video. If you want to unhide them, long press it. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the top, or if you don't see any unarchive button, don't panic. Look at the bottom, tap on the move button, then tap on move again and automatically move to back to the photos or videos on your main Google Photos page. And that's it, how you can easily view hidden photos and videos on your Google Photos app. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and turn on notification bell icon for more easy tech tutorial that actually save you time every day. Thanks for watching.